Lesson number 5. Updating the list of financial instruments. In the course of his work, a trader can delete financial instruments, move them up or down, modify them in some way, or just select them. The list will change accordingly. To update the list and upload new financial instruments, there is a special button. Update the list of financial instruments. When you click on it, a window opens. If you click Yes in it, the characters that Lynker has already analyzed will be loaded. In other words, this is a list of all instruments that have their own data, have charts that are correctly designed, and can be traded, used, and obtained information on them. Click Yes, and Lynker loads the tools, completely updating the entire list. If you click No, Lynker will load the entire list of brokers' financial instruments. Lynker will perform exactly the same analysis of financial instruments as when it was first launched. This feature allows you to completely restore the entire list of financial instruments, depending on whether you need a fully working list or the entire list provided by the broker.